wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba alal ladhina min qablikum. Sadaqallahul azim. My honorable teachers and respected guests and sisters, I speak before you about the Psalm. Psalm fasting is the fourth pillar of Islam. Psalm is compulsory for all Muslims. Ramzan is the month of fasting. It is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. The Holy Quran was sent by Allah to us in this month. It is a month of great blessings. We start fasting at during this period. We start fasting at dawn and break the fast at sunset. We neither eat nor drink during this period. One who is fasting at must commit no evil deed. Fasting is an act of ibadah or worship. What is it like to be hungry? It is an experience in hunger. We can know what it is like to be hungry. Fasting teaches us self-control, complete obedience to Allah. Allah commands us not to eat or drink, so we do not. When Allah permits, we eat, we drink and are thankful to Him. May Allah help us to follow it. Amin. Thank you.